Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been so long since I've last made these videos and I'm so excited to be back this year with the Halloween series to inspire you and share some looks that you can try at home. Today's look, I'm doing a half skull face, so let's get started. For this look, I'm using a black and white face paint from Wolf Face Art Effects. To begin, use your black paint. Draw a triangular shape on the nose. It doesn't have to be perfect. Then draw two symmetrical lines from either side. This is where your skull will begin, and then another line underneath to create that halo effect. You can be as creative as you want. Now, I do apologize as some of the video footage was not filmed correctly, so we will jump to the part where we will begin painting inside the black lines using the white paint. Doesn't have to be perfect, and it's okay if the black and white paint mix. In fact, the messier the better, as it will add to the effect later. For this part, you want to create that halo effect on the skull. Think of it as two black holes on either side of your cheeks under the cheekbones. Using a black shadow, you want to start blending in all the black areas. This will add depth and bring your skull to look more 3D. Also adding some light shadow, using a very fine brush at the top part of the teeth to make them appear more prominent. Make sure to not use too much. Now, to complete the bottom part of the skull, I am just filling the bottom half with more white paint as so. Again, using more black eyeshadow, I'm going to create depth around my skull. This really adds to the effect, so you can get as creative as you want. Now to complete the half-face skull, I'm going to do a quick, rough, smoky eye. I don't want it to look too perfect, but rather grungy, yet sexy. For the eyes, I'll be using my Huda Beauty Smoky Palette. I'm going to start by using the dark taupe and black all over my lids and make sure to blend the edges. Don't forget to drag the color on the bottom lashes as well. You can use any metallic color in the palette to add to the center of the eyes. Don't forget to complete the eyes with your favorite lashes, and all the products that I'm using will be listed below. Complete the skull look, I decided to add a spine. To do this, make circles, one below the other, and another giant circle at the bottom, which will look like a spine is coming out of the body. This adds depth and looks more 3D. I've painted everything else around the neck all black to make it look more realistic. Having a black background would have helped a lot, but you live and learn. again, just adding some black shadow around the skull just to give it that depth and 3D effect. Last but not least, I got a colorful wig and some cool funky Halloween contacts, and voila! Here you have it, my mini quick tutorial. Until next time, bye bye!